Hello traders, it's Tomek here from Nikos Trading Academy and welcome in my weekly indices forecast. So let's start with DAX. We have some news about DAX because from today it won't be any more DAX 30 but DAX 40 because there were added another 10 companies to this index. So we have like 10 more companies inside DAX German index. So please remember to change your symbols in the MT4 platform. As you see here, it's DAX 40 right now, not 30. Yeah, so please keep in mind if you have any problems with DAX. So we last week we gained some momentum. I hope that putting those 10 more companies, we will get more volatility. Recently, DAX was not in the good shape because we had a lot of ranges situation, especially if we pay attention to the daily chart. Usually, even if we have daily range on the lower time frames, we still have momentum. But one problem usually what might happen if daily is in the range, then we have also chaotic moves on the lower time frames that we don't have clean direction. Right now, we see that for now DAX is making really nice daily candles, so the momentum is there definitely. So right now we will just focus on the sell opportunities simply because price is below the 36. But let's go to the higher time frames to see what we have there. So basically we have a support level here. Price is retracing is close to the 36 EMA, which is our support level also. So maybe we'll get some reaction. If not, I would say we might go lower. This is the first zone where price might react. This is support level. Another support level which is still stronger is lower down here. So we really have a lot of room to go for possible retracement. Of course, DAX is making new historical highs, so we don't have any resistance levels. So another option is that price will just bounce, retrace, and will continue to go up again. Like for example, here we had move, we had retracement, and price decided to go again. So this might happen, but right now momentum on the lower time frames is to sell, especially if we pay attention to the daily chart. Resistance, of course, is on the previous tops. If price decide to retrace and continue to go up. If we pay attention for trend line, this is one line which was broken. Another line which we have is here, and price is also breaking this line. So if we stay below this line, there is chance that price continue to go down, because this also might be that today we have momentum, and later on at the end of the day, price will retrace. So it will start to look like a spike. So if this happens, there is also a chance that price will go again up, or will start to range here, and then maybe we will be squeezed in this area here like this. Yes, so we will just take extension, maybe price start to range. This is also possible. If we pay attention for the daily chart, we also have here support zone. So if price breaks this is your another level to for stop. So last time I think we said about the breakouts of this area here. As far as I remember, here we see price was in the range, and price broke this wedge here, and we didn't get setups on the 1 hour chart. There was, I think only on the 15-minute. As you see here, we have really nice, beautiful short 1 to 3 entry here, stop loss here, and price went down. There was also setup, I think, on the Renko chart. This is like 500 points. Right now price is 4,000 points, so really good risk reward in this case. Yeah, right now any retracement for us will be option to sell. Yes, but again, if we have like a 4-hour chart retracement, if we will get this, we will be again, yeah, this might be the beginning of the spike. So please keep in mind this. Definitely short entries will be okay after retracement. You need to only remember to target this level or previous spike, okay? Because this is the price still might, let me just, price still might to make 4-hour chart 1 to 3, and continue to go down, maybe double bottom, higher low, maybe we'll continue down, or bounce and decide to go up. So on the lower time frames, you can still try to catch move around this possible move. If price continue to drop, then of course it's easy. You just look for sell entries. Right now, still sell. I wouldn't look for any long bounce or buys for now, because it's a little bit too strong momentum. So I would like to see that price is really reacting here. That it's not breaking, but it's that this trend line is holding. Yes. So then we can start to look for buys, but right now only sell. 1 hour chart also sell. So any retracement for you is option to sell. Not exactly on the 1 hour chart, because we are too close to this line. Because if price retrace to this again, we will be above this trend line. So lower time frame combinations, or if you calculate your risk reward, will be good. Then short entries definitely on the 1 hour chart are okay. Yeah. So this is what we have right now. Only sell options. Just wait for any retracement and look for potential sells. Yeah, this is what we have. In case if price retrace back to here, then you know what to do. You still wait for sell entries, but if price will get bigger move and start to react on this trend line, what you can do, you can look for short entries here to target this trend line or previous lows if we have something like that. Okay, so this is also option. And of course, if price breaks this, then you look for buy entries and you target this possible resistance level, which is previous top. Nasdaq is another indice. Let's see what happened here. As you see here, we discussed about breakout and possible short setup here, and price did this. Of course, we had this trend line here, which was our target together with the 36 EMA. And what we see, we had really nice option here. As you see, price was in the range, and we said, okay, after breakout, look for the 1 to 3s. 1 to 3 was here. Entry would be here, stop loss around 1,300 points, target 1,000, almost 2,000. So it was okay for us. You wouldn't be stopped out here. You had to wait a little bit for price to go down. And right now it's if you take with the two targets right now, your second target, it's not hit yet, but definitely price is breaking, is making volatility. So let's hope we will get this. So we get this scenario here. So let's see currently what we have. Let me delete the lines. And let's go to higher time frames. Of course, come on. Of course, we don't have to do so often top-down approach because simply nothing really changed. But still, I would like to make it because just for you to practice this a little bit. So weekly pointing up, we see weekly right now it's making red candles, so maybe this retracement will happen on the weekly. This is for me really strong level for possible bounce. Yes, for possible bounce and for continuation. Okay, because we have nice resistance with the previous stops, 36. So this is a good option. But right now we see that daily is sitting on the 36 EMA, and also we have a little bit of the support here. So this might be the beginning of the break for possible bigger retracement, or we'll get spike, and price will go up again with this daily long 1 to 3. If price continues to go up, this is our previous those previous stops is our goal. And then, of course, in case of the breakout, price will make new historical highs. So if we pay attention to lower time frames, now we have two options to do. A little bit aggressive way will be retracement and sell entries. I mean about the 4-hour chart if we decide to look for short and entries. So this is option number one. Option number two, any retracement right now on the lower time frames is for you to sell. Yes, because daily we have red candles. Of course, we know that we are around the support zone, so that's why sell entries are aggressive. For our chart is pointing down, so that's why it's short entries. But like I said, we are on the area where price might react and might continue to go up. So that's why sell entries are aggressive. So, but any retracement right now is good option to sell. So retracement on the 1 hour chart to the 12 EMA to the 36 EMA, go to lower time frames, look for potential short entries. Or if you like 1 hour chart entry with the steep short one, 1 to 3. But then you need to wait for the retracement to the 36 if you want to take it on the 1 hour time frame. If you get any retracement, then you can just skip to the lower time, go to the lower time frames and look for the 1 to 3s there. Like for example, I showed you on DAX. Here we had this trend line here. Yes, we had this trend line. So you just drop to 15-minute chart or 5-minute, 1 minute, depends your trading plan, and look for entries. Exactly the same. You wait here. Yeah. So that, Nasdaq right now sell. If price, of course, breaks this line, you look for buys. I can hear any retracement to the 36 to this trend line. Look for short entry sell. Yes, as long as this trend line holds, look for sell. Of course, remember that if you get this bigger retracement at everything, you will get spike on the daily chart. So sell entries from this point will be a little bit aggressive because you will be trading a little bit against daily and weekly chart. Yes, which are quite big time frame, but still. It has such volatility that even small move for you might be good to make some profits. Okay, so this is Nasdaq, US 30. What we have here, we also set about retracement short entries. We see that we couldn't take anything on the 4-hour chart. Price was stacked here, yes, stacked here, and broke this, and is going down right now. Yes, so for us this was a quite important level because this was daily support zone, and that's why you see price had reaction right now. It's going lower. So did we have anything here? Probably not. As far as I remember, there was nothing here. You see, the price just went down. There was not enough room. So maybe something on the Renkos, but I don't think so that there was something anyway here. So we couldn't jump in. And now price is breaking. So let's see higher time frame what we will get. So weekly, this is our next support zone together with the trend line. Yes, so this is, so we have some room to go in case of the breakout. Next weekly support is really low, is down here. Yes, so we go to daily chart. Daily, our trend line was broken here. So this is our weekly support zone, and if we pay attention for the daily support, we have here and we have here. Yes, so basically there are two levels of the support. We see that there is one, there is a second one where price is right now. But if we get momentum, price can easily break this and continue to go down. Yes, just keep in mind that we have it. We have this trend line, so it's really easy right now. Every retracement is to sell. Yes, so retracement on the 4-hour chart, you sell. Retracement on the 1-hour chart, you sell. Okay, so I like charts like this because you don't have to think too much. You just any retracement and just sell it. Yes, there is also resistance, the previous support level here, so maybe price will retrace to this, and then you have levels where price might react. I don't say that it will react, but might react. Yes, price can easily break this and might continue to drop immediately to the weekly support zone. Yes, but just in case you have levels where price might have some reactions, where you can simply manage your positions, trade, etc. So any retracement, you look for sell entries on US 30. Next is silver. So what we have, silver went down. Yes, went down. Went down to our targets. Yes, we see that we set about potential short entries here simply because we had this daily short one, 1 to 3. and price went down nicely. If we pay attention to the weekly chart, yes, we are on the support zone. Yes, the lowest point is here. The lowest point is here. Generally, we are already on the support, but let's draw the lowest point. And if we pay attention to the next level, strong level is here. Yes, yes, because this was previous area where price broke and went up, but the next area of the support is here. So if price continue to go down, we have levels here. Yeah. So we go to daily chart, and what we have right now, we can delete all unnecessary lines. There is no point to keep them. For now, we can just leave the closest resistance level just in case to have it. So let me just delete this because we don't need. So we know that this is the lowest point right now. Yes, this previous spike, this one. But generally, we also know that we are already on the support zone. Right now, retracement to the 36, to the trend line, you still continue to sell. Target, of course, next levels or those previous lows. Yes, this double bottom. So this retracement, potential target this, or in case of the breakout, we have next levels. For our chart, same story. Yes, same story. You have to wait for the retracement, and then you look for sell entries. You can wait for the retracement to the 36, to this trend line, combinations with the lower time frames, sell. And 1 hour chart, exactly the same, but then you have to go to lower time frames only because you are limited with this, yes, with this bottom, sorry. So you try to target previous bottom in case if another spike happen to this previous, we know that this is the previous low, this where price might to go, but there is also chance that right now we will just get, you will get false signal, and then price will make this bigger retracement simply because we are already around the support zone. But there is also chance that price will continue to the previous spike. Yes, definitely sell entries. We had some options, to sell. Here we had the first option here, entry here, stop loss here, and we had another option to sell here. Yes, so we had two signals, two were profitable, so there was nice option here on silver. Yeah, and target was good and enough here. So right now, any retracement, sell. Gold, gold gains some momentum. We see that last time we set about those two options. Here you see that price, you get the bounce and price reach again this. So if you try to look for some entries, you could make some profits. We also set about the breakouts, and the breakout happened here, but we didn't get signal to jump in. There was no signal for us, so we had setup but without signal. You see price went up, and if price closed above, then this would be your signal, but this was just spike and price went down. So we had breakout here and we had set up here, but as you see here, we were too close to jump in here. Of course, aggressively on the lower time frames, it's okay. Yes, if you scalp to look for the setup. Yeah, but let's see right now what we have. Let me just delete unnecessary lines. So what we have, still we are a little bit squeezed in this. You see price reach this trend line together. There is also support zone on the daily chart. There is a chance for continuation, but there is also chance for bounce and another move to this trend line. So we go to daily chart. This is our support zone. You see daily level. So what might happen? Let me just draw. This is our resistance. We might get breakout and move to this level, yes, or bounce and price will go up back to this. Yes. So how we can trade this? We can draw this trend line here, which is more visible on the 4-hour chart. So now you can wait for retracement to the 36 to the trend line and sell. Okay, target this. If price breaks this trend line, you look for buys. So those are the two scenarios if we are on the profit zone. But you have already double bottom, support zone, trend line. So what you can do now, look for buy entries here and target 36 or target trend line. Okay, so this is aggressive approach because you trade against higher time frames. How we can do it? First signal you have right now, entry and stop loss below, but you need to calculate if it's worth to try. Back to this is 350 points. Stop loss would be 150. So it's more or less okay. Back to the 36 will be a little bit less. Another option is to just wait for another like a higher low. Yes, higher low, and then you will get an entry. Yes, if this is move retracement, higher low, breakout, entry, stop loss here or stop loss below. So this is your option to trade and target this level. And if we pay attention to another, we don't have any trend line here. So what you can do, if price starts to break 36 EMA, yes, if you will see that price is breaking, you can go to 15-minute chart or 5-minute and start to look for 1 to 3s there. Okay, you can start to look for 1 to 3s there because we don't have any trend line, so we cannot use the trend line breakout. But this is what you can do. Another way to trade is wait for the retracement, go to 1-minute chart, 5-minute chart, and still try to grab some pips. Okay, still try to grab some pips to previous lows. Of course, aggressive because we are around the support. Price is struggling here, so but we might get another bounce, another another small move. So this is option to do it. If price, of course, breaks this level here, you look for short entries. Yeah, so we can just draw the lines, and we will see next week what will happen here. Okay, so this is what we have in case of the breakout. Price, of course, we will get nice target, which is here. Yeah, so we have some room to go. And the last is oil. We see oil is making right now breakout on the 4-hour chart, but it's holding right now. Yes, we said about breakouts here. It was because price was in the range and we didn't have clean direction. Daily chart was sitting on this, you see, on this trend lines. Right now we had a breakout, and if this holds, we have possible chance to go to this next resistance. In case of the breakout of this resistance, we have another one here, and we will be at quite high level for oil. Yes, so this is the highest point. We will see right now. Definitely, any retracement is option to buy. Yes, daily retracement, you look for buy entries. 4-hour chart retracement is happening right now. So if price breaks 2 to 3 line, this is your option to go long. Yes. If price, because this might be false breakout, if price breaks 36 EMA, yes, and will go down, then you start to sell it. Okay, you start to sell it and you try to target this. In between we have support zone on the daily chart somewhere around this area here. Yeah, so this is your next area of the support to those previous tops. Okay, so please keep in mind this. Of course, if this is false breakout, you might expect another retracement to the 36, maybe lower or even deeper. Yes, because maybe this will be lower high on the weekly chart and the price will go down, but we still look and pay attention for main direction. So main direction is still up, so our approach is that price will continue to go up. Okay, so this is what we have right now. So I hope we will get something. DAX, Nasdaq, US 30 finally gets some nice volatility. So let's hope that we'll get some nice retracement and possible entries there. Remember about the patience, like always, guys. Yes, if you see chart like this, you just do not trade. But we just patiently wait for momentum, which is right now, and then we want to trade. Trading is not only to taking action, but most of the time, if I can say, we need patience to just wait for good opportunities for us, and then we just sit and approach pairs or products with our trading plan, and we just take the action. Yes, because even okay, if you start to trade in this area, you can go to 1 hour chart and you will see that you have something. But generally, if we don't have clean direction from the higher time frame, for us this is not there is not much value in the in those moves here. Okay, so we need to really get momentum, clean direction from the higher time frames. Then lower time frame is simply better to approach. Okay, so again, thanks for watching this video. If you have questions, of course, feel free to contact us, and see you soon. Bye.